Welcome to this Department of Workforce Development video on how to apply for Wisconsin unemployment benefits online. To file a claim, you must go to my.unemployment.wisconsin.gov. The first page that you will see is the Terms and Conditions page, which is a notice to report accurate information. Enter your username and password here. When you log in, you arrive on your unemployment insurance homepage. Click on the File Claim icon to start the initial claim application. When filing your claim for unemployment benefits, certain information may be requested from you. Please collect this information before you start the process of filing.
You can monitor your progress from the View Progress button and can go back to a section you have already completed by selecting the section in the menu. The section you are on will be highlighted in blue and a completed section will be green with a check mark. The Getting Started section identifies if you have worked in another state within the past 2 years and asks what week you want your claim to begin.
The Personal Information section obtains your address and phone number, statistics, and identifies your primary occupation.
The Employment Information section consists of questions to identify your employment history, including questions about any union affiliation, the type of employment you have had, and your work history for the last 18 months, or, if you have an existing claim, employment since you last filed. Some employers may automatically show up in the section called My Work History. Some employers may not appear and you must add them, such as federal employment, military active duty, out-of-state employment, and employers that you have started within the past few months. You must add all employers that are missing that you have done any work for since the date that is being asked. The employer search page allows you to find Wisconsin employers by searching by name. Type the name of the employer and select search, or you can limit your search by selecting advanced search, which allows you to enter an address, city, and state of the employer. If you have difficulty locating the correct employer, please use the additional search tips link. You must review each employer on your claim, providing your first day of work, your most recent last day of work, and the reason you are no longer working for each employer. If you are still working for the employer, select Still Working. If an employer appears on your claim that you are certain you have never worked for and you are not presented with a question asking if you performed any work for the employer since the date given, please stop your claim and contact the Unemployment Help Center. You may stop your claim at any time during the process. Stopping your claim will save your information for 14 days and allow you to resume your claim where you left off within the 14 days. Once you confirm that you want to stop your claim, you will find yourself back on your home page where you can resume your initial claim when you are ready. The Eligibility Information section obtains information to verify whether there is a set of circumstances which may raise eligibility issues that require investigation prior to paying benefits. Often, the answer to a question will require additional information. For example, when attending school between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m., we require additional information about the schooling to determine your eligibility for unemployment. Ensuring the additional information accurately will assist with processing your claim. The Payment and Withholding section allows you to select a payment method, either direct deposit or debit card, and allows you to elect to have federal and/or Wisconsin income taxes withheld from your unemployment benefits. The final section is the Review and Submit section. This section allows you to review your answers and provides instructions moving forward. It is important that you read and understand the instructions and next steps. There is information on what you need to do, including filing your weekly claim and registering with Job Center of Wisconsin. You must acknowledge that you have read the instructions and are responsible for knowing the information. After you have completed answering all questions, you will be presented with a claim review, which is a summary of the questions and your answers. It is important that you review this for accuracy and is your opportunity to correct answers you noticed were answered incorrectly. You may print your claim summary for future reference before continuing to the next page. After you submit your claim, you will receive a confirmation number. If you are not provided with a confirmation number, please follow the instructions on this page to complete your claim. Verification that you have completed the claim will also be on your homepage. If you see this message on your homepage, it means your initial application for unemployment benefits is complete. You still must file your weekly claims to receive benefits. You will also file your weekly claims from your homepage. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. For more information or to file your claim, go to my.unemployment.wisconsin.gov.